Are you getting the Instagram suspicious activity detected pop-up on your iPhone? Well, look no further. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the Instagram suspicious activity detected pop-up on iPhone. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Check your login activity. First, open up the Instagram app. Then, tap on your profile icon below. Next, tap on the three-line icon from the top right corner. Now, tap on Account Center. Then, tap on Password and Security. Here, tap on where you're logged in. After that, tap on your Instagram account. If you see one or more accounts, now review the list. If you see a device or city you don't recognize, then scroll down to the bottom. And tap on Select Devices to log out. Then select the unknown device. And tap Log Out. Then again, tap Log Out to confirm. Solution 2. Change Instagram password. Open up the Instagram app, then tap on your profile icon below. Next, tap on the three-line icon from the top right corner. Now, tap on Account Center. Then, tap on Password and Security. Next, tap on Change Password. Then select the specific Instagram account you want to update. Here, enter your current password first, and then type your new password twice. Then tap Change Password at the bottom. Solution 3. Turn on 2FA. Go to Instagram app again. Then, tap your profile icon below. Next, tap on the three-line icon from the top right corner. Now, tap on Account Center. Then, tap on Password and Security. Here, tap on Two-Factor Authentication. Then select your Instagram account. After that, Instagram will offer you two main ways to secure your account. I recommend you to select SMS or WhatsApp. Then tap Next. Now confirm your phone number. Then tap Done. Now, Instagram will send the 6-digit codes directly to your WhatsApp when someone tries to log into your account. This is often faster and more reliable. And that's all. Hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.